Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching Visual Studio Code, and then opening the exact project folder you will edit. Once done, make sure to accept recommended extensions for your language and Git support. These speed up editing. You should also set a project-specific workspace if you work on multiple repos. Now choose a theme and font size so the editor feels comfortable, and confirm your path integration for command line use before moving on to coding. You now configure the workflow to be efficient. Edit settings. JSON for autosave, format on save, and file associations. Adjust key bindings to speed repetitive actions. Then create tasks. JSON to run builds or linting automatically, and launch. JSON so debugging starts with one keystroke. Make sure the integrated terminal uses the shell you prefer, and arrange split editors or editor groups for side-by-side comparison. Once configured, test a build and a debug session. To finish, you stage and commit using VS Code source control view, push to the remote, and create branches as needed. Once done, use Live Share or the Profiler extension for collaboration and performance checks. If something breaks, first open the problem's pane, then check the output and the extension host log for errors. These show root causes. If extensions misbehave, disable them selectively and reload the window. This isolates the issue quickly and gets you back to coding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.